Alright, this is just a quick example using Octave for homework problem 1, where we just have the concentric circles that we're looking to cluster. And in this case, we're just using 3 clusters. And so just to look at the code, line 2 here, we just load the data. Line 3, I just like to clear out the points or the data sets that we're not using. So for homework 2, for example, you wouldn't want to clear B and C, right? Because we're using matrix A. When you type in load homework March 26 data, that loads in 3 matrices A, B, and C. And so we're going to use A and clear B and C for problem number 1. Good. Line 5 is calling the k-means command, and so you can see that there's not much to it. Just the index that returns the same length as the number of points, and that tells you which index you're in, which cluster you're in. So that's either 1, 2, or 3 if we have 3 clusters. C is the matrix of cluster centers, so that should be 3 by 2, I believe. We'll check. Dist error, this is a vector of distortion errors that it's kind of nice to look at when you're doing these clustering algorithms. All right, so this code will be online, so you can use it to help you start the other homework problems. Let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. I guess I can just go right to the command window. Example k-means octave. Error. Oh gosh, pkg. One of these days I'm going to remember to do this. Now I can run it. Good, perfect. That's exactly what we expected. And so you can see here that we got the 3 separate cluster centers. Notice that there's red triangles, blue stars, and black circles. And if you look at the editor, you can see we used red. I don't know if you can read that. Red stars, or sorry, this is red triangles. This is blue stars. And because B is blue instead of black, we have K for black. So this is black circles. Good. So when you're doing this, if you have just 3 clusters, then you don't have to change anything from line 7 on, right? This is just line 7 on or just for plotting routines. Good. So if you do have more than that, you could just plot the cluster centers if you want, or you can add on to this list, right? Or you could, if you're very creative or you're a computer science major, you can change these into what they should be, and that is a loop. Okay, I will stop the video there, and I'll see you later.